Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to set up or open a Revolut Junior account for your kids. Revolut lets parents open a kids and teens account directly from the main app. Just open the Revolut app on your device. Go to Home on the bottom menu, then below your balance, tap Accounts. Tap Add New, then select Kids. Enter your child's details like name, date of birth, etc. and follow the on-screen prompts. You can create additional kids accounts by repeating the process by going to Add New, then Kids. Accounts are available for children up to 17 years old. They hold only one currency, which is the parent's default currency. Revolut Kids and Teens terms and conditions apply. With this, your child can start learning money management skills with parental oversight. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.